Sang Taytay Lelo. My name is Mary Jane Castillo. I'm 32 years old. I'm from Cabalay, Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines. I am married. I have one son, the age of 14, and one daughter, the age of 16. My highest education attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies is cooking, and I'm a pet lover. I have one dog and one cat. My expertise is child care. I work as domestic helper in Saudi from May 2017 to May 2025. I serve one couple and 10 adults, the age of 45, 43, 38, 37, and 20, and the girls is 41, 36, 31, 23, and 17. My duties is taking care of elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and my children, for the school fees and bills, and everything needs for my family. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. And I can sing a nursery song like wheels on the bus and go round and round, round and round, round and round. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking and honest and obedient. I promise to, as a good housemaid, and I promise to prioritize my job, and I finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.